Thomas Guest. I come from London. Just been here in Devon 6 months so far. So I've been doing it for 6 months. My background is industrial design. I've been an industrial designer for about 10 years, mostly transport design for consultancies based in London. For Rowden, I was interested in doing a course like this. Wasn't sure it was going to be like for a year or anything. And I did an internet search, found a few names. Never thought anything would come of it, but David seemed to be the main one, or sort of the most publicised one on the internet. I guess it's just not in an office environment. You get to work, in a workshop with your hands, and yeah, you just get more control, more flexibility. You're moving around a bit more. At the moment, I'm doing a box. Actually, I'm currently French polishing a box, which takes a while. It's good fun. Favourite aspect of the course? Probably, again, environment, just different challenges, not looking at a computer screen all day, not clicking the mouse all day, not answering emails all day. And also just making stuff with your hands, using tools, just all of that stuff. Okay. Yeah, the tutors, obviously, Darren, Ed, they're both really great. Yeah, all the people on the course are awesome. Well, yeah. So right before doing this course, I was freelancing for a few different clients, which is, again, quite flexible, quite fun. And I suppose this would give me sort of one other skill to do. So I'd probably tie that into what I was doing as a designer in the first place.